Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a ponytail. For this tutorial you're going to need some pins, needle, thread, wig combs, hair bundle and elastic hair net. I'm going to start by pinning the hair net into the mannequin head. I will take my needle through the end of the weft and out through the hair net. All I'm doing here is just stitching the hair into the hair net until I reach the other side. When I reach the end of the net, I will fold over the hair and continue stitching. I'm gonna repeat this process until I reach the top. I have reached the end, I will sew the hair inside the hairnet so that the tracks cannot show, and for the ponytail to blend nicely with your natural hair. After finishing sewing the hair, I will then sew 2 wig combs, one at the top and one down. This is how the ponytail is looking after I'm done. This is how my hair is looking before I attach the ponytail. I'm gonna comb the hair because I want it a little bit bulky. Then I'm gonna install the ponytail into my head. There you go guys, this is how it looks on my head. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, mwah.